Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix a network cable is not properly plugged in or maybe broken detected error. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open or click on your start icon and search for troubleshoot. So sorry, troubleshoot. So I'm just gonna click on here, the troubleshoot other problems. So you want to click on internet connection, click on run the troubleshooter, and then just need to wait. Click on troubleshoot my connection to the internet. Okay, so let's just wait for it. So now just go ahead and close this, okay? So after you've done that, you just need to exit on that tab and search for CMD or the command prompt. Click on that and you want to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click on enter and then after that just go ahead and type on exit, and once you've done that just go ahead and restart your system or your device. So click on the start icon, click on the power button, click on restart. Okay, so now after you've done that, that should help you on fix this problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.